Alright, so the Everlast. I'm actually going off of a website here that has the Everlast manual, and I figured this would be a good way to start talking about it. The Everlast rear socket has that configuration as shown up on this screen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yada, yada, yada. All of these different points here. And we're going to be wiring into a couple of these, so let's talk about that. 1 and 2 will be our plasma on-off. Now, coming off of our circular plastic connector, the one that typically goes to hypertherms, that connection has this plasma on-off as well. It has 2 wires, and all we need to do is plug it into ports 1 and 2, and then plug that into the P port on the on the control box. The control box will have the letter P next to a port, and that will be coming off the 1 and 2 pinouts, 1 and 2 pins from the plasma cutter. The next thing that we're going to talk about is the raw arc voltage. We're going to need to install based off of the raw arc voltage. And this is specifically for the THC, and those are going to be pins 5 and 7. And there is a polarity there that you're going to need to be made aware of, but it will be 5 and 7. And if you look down here, 5 and 7 will have information here about exactly how you hook this up. So, that being said, keep that in mind as you put together your Everlast, but this is going to be the plug, this is going to be the pinout that you're going to need to assemble when it comes to the plug necessary to run the CNC table with an Everlast. So take that information and run with it. Let me know if you have any questions. This should at least get us into getting everything hooked up on our Everlast, and honestly, to get us cutting. So there you go.